All right, I'm going to show you guys how to buy BNB on Metamask. So I open up Chrome, go over here, click on your little fox. I like to just pull out the screen so that you're in the expanded view. Depending on what your chain, you might start off on all popular networks. It's going to show all your coins. I would go click this, pull down, and go to the BNB chain. This is where you're gonna see just the BNB on the BNB chain. If you need to, if you don't see it, you can import tokens here. You would type here and just type in BNB, and it'll show up. I already have it here, so I can't add it in. But then you click on this, shows you the price, and you click on buy. Now I have tested all of these out. The first time you come in here, you also have to connect your MetaMask in here. So click at the bottom, you'll click connect MetaMask. And then change your token to which token you want. So I'm going to go BNB. I'm going to go this yellow BNB Binance Coin. So I am going to buy $100 worth. And I am going to show you the different prices. So what I've found is BNB or MoonPay claims to give you the most, but when you actually get to it and you click on connect to MoonPay, you can use any of these that you want, but I'm just showing you the different prices right now. So right here, I'm going to get 1.112 BNB. So here it said I was going to get 119. It actually takes you down to the lowest one. So they're deceiving you. So you think you're getting the best deal, but you're not. The other one that I've been trying was Banksa. So if I go to Banksa, this one ends up being pretty similar. You might save a few dollars. I gotta check my email for a code. 7295. So when it's saying get into Banksa, redirect. This should pop up and show me what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get 112, so pretty much the same as MoonPay. Now let's go over to Ramp, which says I'm gonna get 115, and that's what I actually get when I get in here. So you're gonna get 115. So my card's already in here. So if you look at the difference on that, so price right now is at 831 times 0.112. That's $93. You're getting 831 times 0.115. You get 95. So it's a difference of $2, but that's like 2%. So at $1,000, that adds up. So I don't know. So that's just what I found. So I'm actually going to use Ramp. So I'm going to purchase with Ramp. I've already done my KYC on all these, so you would probably have to say like connect and probably upload your driver's license and things like that. But I'm going to continue with Visa. Put my security code in. And then this should just process. They have a security thing that it pops up. I'm going to send that to my phone. I'm going to agree that yes, I am making this purchase. And it pops back over here. Verification, payment complete, confirmed. Final checks in progress. Crypto delivery in progress. I just saying that I got the BNB, so back to MetaMask. And I should have I have another $100 in my balance here. So that is how to buy BNB from MetaMask.